So class, now moving on to our next topic, that is replacing alphabet by suitable numbers. This means that you have been given some unknown alphabets whose value is you have to determine in particular problem. For example, here one problem is given of addition. So in that you are seeing that some alphabets are present. For example, 6A, B, 5, D, 5, 8, C, and the result is given as 9, 3, 5, 1. You have to find the values of these unknown alphabets. So as you see the addition being performed. So first of all comes to this place. 5 is added with C and the result is 1. So you can simply find out what should be added to 5 so that result is 1. If we add 6 to 5, then it will give 11. 1 will be in this place and 1 will be carry. So that 1 carry will be in the next column, and that 1 is added to 8, and 1 and 8 should be 9. 1 and 8 should be 9, and what should be added to 9 so that the result is 5. 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6 will give us 15. Then 15 will 5 will be here and 1 will be carry. So we have find out the value of B here. B is 6 and 1 is carry. In the next, what should be added to 1 is already carry. 1 is added to 5, that will give 6, and what should be added to 6 to give is result 3. 6 plus 7, 7 should be added to 6, then we will get 13. 13, 3 should be here and 1 should be carry. So what is the value of A? A will have the value 7 and 1 should be carry. 1 and 6, 1 and 6, 7, and what should be added to 7 so that result is 9? It is 2. So the value of D is 2. So we have find out the values of A, B, C and D. A is having 7 as value, B is having 6 as value, and C is also having 6 as value, and D is having 2 as value. So likewise this you will have to find the value of these unknown variable A, B, C, D in operations like subtraction, multiplication and division. I have taken the example of one each. This example is based on subtraction. Here the question is 3, 5A minus C, B and 8. So first of all the result is coming here as 3. So what should be subtracted from A? 8, so that the result is 3. Here A should be 1. So when you take the carry, it will become 11. 11 minus 8 will give 3. So here it will become 4. Then what should be subtracted from 4 so that we can get the value of B, and the result is 8. B will have the value 6. Then when 1 will be taken carry, it will become 14. 14 minus 6 will give 8 as the result. Okay, then see here what left? 2 is left. And then what should be subtracted from 2 in order to get 1? 2 minus 1 will give 1. So here we find out the value of A, B and C. A will be 1, B will be 6 and C will be 1. This is the required answer. All of you understood? Next is the question based on multiplication. Question number 3 is find the value of A and B in the following question. 4A into 6 will give the result 2B4. You have to find the value of A. Now tell me that what should be multiplied with 6. Here A is multiplied with 6. What should be the value of A so that here the value comes 4? Then 6 should be multiplied by 24. Then the value should come 4 and 2 will be carry. Therefore the value of A is 4. And now in 6 is multiplied by this 4. 6 4s are 24. And what is the carry? 2. It will be added to carry. 6 4s are 24. 24 and 2 gives 26. So here what is the value of B? 20. No. What is the value of B? B will have the value 6. So what we have find out the value of A and B. Just like this, we have again solved an example of multiplication. Here AB is multiplied by BA and the result is coming as B, C and B. First of all, this AB is multiplied by A. A is multiplied by B, the result is coming B. A is multiplied by B, the result is coming B. तो यहाँ पे ये देखना है कि जो B की वैल्यू है वही आंसर में आ रही है. तो B एक ऐसी कौन सी वैल्यू होगी ताकि B ही आए आंसर में. A should have value 1. 1 when multiplied by B, then it will give number itself. So here in this we have replaced the value of A by 1. Simply I have written 1, B, B and 1. Then normal multiplication I performed. 1 into B, B. 1 into 1, 1. Multiply B into B will give B square and B into 1 will give B. After that we have just added, it will give B, it will give 1 plus B square and it will give B. Now see ये जो बीच वाला नंबर है that should be a 1 digit number. 2 digit number नहीं हो सकता because it is simple 1 digit number and it should also be not equal to A के बराबर भी नहीं होना चाहिए, other than A होना चाहिए. So what should be the number? We have taken B is equal to 2. After substituting the value of B here 2, what we get? It will give the value of C. So I have written B square, 2 square, 1 plus 2 square, that will 5. 5. Then A I have found out 1, B is equal to 2 and C is 5. This is the required result. Next, I have solved one division problem. Here the division of 4AB with 9 is performed. First it is multiplied by 5. It gives 45 as the result. Then what should be subtracted from A? Here what should be the value of A? That the result is 3. It should be 8. It should be 8. 8 minus 5 will give 3. Next we have taken out B as carry. Then what should be multiplied by C so that the result is 36. Here 36 is already given. We have to take this B as also 6. So then what is the value of B here? 6, because 36 minus 36 will give the result 0. Then 9 should be multiplied by which number? 4, because 9 4s are 36. Then what is the value of C? C will have the value 4. 9 4s are 36. Next question is, here addition is performed. A plus A plus A. You have to add the same number 3 times so that the result after adding is BA. So what we get? I have added 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 will give 15 as the result. You can see the same A is coming over here. That means 5 plus 5 plus 5 will give 15. Same 5 is coming here. And what is the value of B? 1. Now, so coming on to our next question, I have solved question number 9. Question number 9 says find two numbers where the product is 1 digit number and the sum is 2 digit number. सो आपको ऐसा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जिसको कि मल्टीप्लाई करने पे क्या आना चाहिए, एक 1 डिजिट नंबर आना चाहिए और ऐड करने पे क्या आना चाहिए, 2 डिजिट नंबर. तो ऐसे कौन सी 2 डिजिट है? 1 एंड 9. 1 एंड 9 को मल्टीप्लाई करने पे क्या आ रहा है? 9. 9 कैसा नंबर है? 1 डिजिट नंबर. एंड 1 और 9 को ऐड करने पे क्या आ रहा है? 10. 10 कैसा नंबर है? 2 डिजिट नंबर. दिस इज द आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज बेस्ड ऑन मैजिक स्क्वायर. ये ट्राइंगल शेप में आपको दे रखा है, एक फिगर दे रखी है. फिल द नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 6. आपको 1 से 6 के बीच में नंबर्स भरने हैं विदाउट रिपीटिशन. उसमें कोई रिपीटिशन अलाउड नहीं है. सो डैट ईच साइड ऑफ द ट्राइंगल एड्स अप टू 12, ताकि सारी साइड्स ट्राइंगल्स का जो सम होगा वो कितना होना चाहिए, 12 होना चाहिए। आपको सारे ये जो फिल इन दी ब्लैंक्स आपको दे रखे हैं इसमें इस तरह से नंबर फिलअप करने चाहिए, ताकि ऐड करें अगर उन नंबर्स को तो क्या आना चाहिए, रिजल्ट आना चाहिए 12। तो यहाँ पे आई हैव फिल्ड 6, 2 एंड 4, 6 + 2 8, 8 + 4 12। और ये जो नंबर्स होने चाहिए रिपीट नहीं होने चाहिए, मतलब हर एक साइड में डिफरेंट नंबर्स होने चाहिए। यहाँ पे 6, 1 एंड 5, 6, 5, 11, 11 और 1 12। इधर 4, 5 and 3, it is also resulting in 12. So hence this is the completion of exercise 5C. Hope you understood and complete the remaining questions of all these 3 exercises in homework and send it on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.